Good evening. Good evening. Well, I'm Gordon. Who might you be? I'd rather not talk about it, if you please. Well, it doesn't hurt to introduce yourself to someone new every once in a while. You can tell us. I really don't see the need to. Come on, you can trust us. Yeah, you can trust us. Just tell us already. Come on, out with it. My name is Dick Mabber. Oh, that is too funny. How absolutely absurd. For engines of the future, you sure are an interesting engine. Oh dear. I don't think that name would really suit the Great Western Way, now would it? I won't stay here to be insulted. Where are you going? You know, to be honest, he really is an interesting engine. I mean, naming an engine Dick. That's like calling you Galloping Sausage. Indeed. Hey! I resent that!